Hello and welcome again. So today is the 22nd of February. We'll just do a quick run through our various pairs and then see if we have any setups. So yesterday we said this level here, this zone here could be a zone of resistance or supply. Okay. And we said this zone here is actually a better one. This top here, when price gets to this zone, is a zone for market to react and possibly come back down. Okay, so we marked those zones out that way. Let's look at the next pair. Okay, we still don't have any tangible thing yet on this pair. The areas I'm marking are the possible areas where markets will turn when it gets there. So this, let's even put it at the lower end there. Okay, so these are possible areas. Just the market turning points. Okay. I want to show us so nothing here really, nothing yet. Nothing much here too. On the Euro USD, nothing much yet. You can see it's still moving sideways. This is still moving sideways as well. It was only gold that was showing some sign of moving up. So we can see it did come back down and it's breaking the highs. And we said, where is it likely to turn? Okay, so I think it's getting there now. It's getting to that zone, yeah, where it's likely to probably come back down before it shoots up, or it might just shoot up. Then the next level, we're looking at the 20 level for it to get to the 20 level. Okay, the 1960 first, 1960 before it gets to the 2000 level. Okay, so this is the 1960. That's the next place where it's likely to get some challenge to move back down. Okay, so so on the daily time frame, this is the pound USD now, which is the pair I trade most at the moment. So we said this level here will probably be a turning point for the market. So let's see what I did on my 15 minutes time frame, on the lower time frame. So this is my this was yesterday, and so I got to the charts when it was around here. I believe it was around there. So all this had happened and I saw this move up. Then I started seeing weak rejections here and here, and I thought, okay, something is happening here. When I looked at I had marked this zone here. By the way, this green and pink bars here is an indicator called the zone indicator. So it helps me plot the supply and demand zones. So it had plotted that, and besides, even before that, I had marked this level as a possible level from the daily time frame where price was going to turn. So okay, so I saw this, and so you see, if we look very carefully, you see a kangaroo tail there. Let me zoom in a bit more so we can see those. Okay, so I was watching price and I was looking for a reason to sell. So I had quite a number of reasons. One, this was a daily resistance level, a daily supply level. That's one. Two, we can see a lot of rejections, weak rejections. Look at this again, very nice kangaroo tail. Okay, so we could have entered at any of these points, especially when I saw this. Then I was more confident of the trade. Okay, and then I entered right here. I had some other trades actually to that point, and then so in addition to this kangaroo tail here, we also got this bearish engulfing bar. which engulfs this last few bars. So it went down, came back up, formed the supply zone right here again. So if we had wanted to enter again after it went down, by the time it came back up, we could have entered here or even on this candle when it came back up. Okay, so it went and started giving us so this became our high, this became our lower high, and then it dropped further, came back up. So this became our next lower high, went down again. So this is a lower low, so lower low, lower high. So, and we see price eventually moved, we see that price eventually moved down. Okay, if I reduce that a bit, so you see the price is currently down now. So all I'm looking for now, so this is telling me this is the 1 hour demand zone. So it's telling me it's a 1 hour demand zone. We can see what is happening as well. You can see a lot of rejections. So perhaps price will come back in here and then we'll begin to see it move up again. It could do that. So that is all I'll be looking out for. Let's subscribe to the channel, Sky Vision FX channel. Subscribe, like, share, and make a comment below. Thank you.